In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to increase the upload size limits on Hostinger. Whether you're working on a WordPress site or any project requiring significant file uploads, adjusting these settings can save you a lot of hassle. Let's dive right in. First, of course, you'll need to log into your Hostinger account. If you're not familiar with this step, simply head over to Hostinger's main website and locate the login button, typically found at the top right corner. Enter your credentials, and once you're in your dashboard, you'll see an array of options and panels. Don't feel overwhelmed. We just need to focus on a few key selections right now. Now that you're logged in, the next step is to find your way to the PHP configuration settings. In Hostinger, this is often tucked under the hosting section of your dashboard, so go ahead and click on Hosting and select your desired website. This will bring up a range of options on the sidebar where you'll see PHP configuration. Click on it to enter the settings page. This area allows you to customize various features of PHP, giving you flexibility based on your specific needs. Once inside the PHP configuration, you'll notice a list of settings that control various PHP parameters. Here, you'll want to locate the upload max file size and post max size options. These settings dictate the maximum size of the files that can be uploaded via web forms, which is crucial for managing large uploads on your site. Change these values to a larger size that suits your requirements, making sure the numbers are realistic for what you intend to upload comfortably. For instance, if you're often dealing with media files or large data sets, you might want to set these values anywhere from 64 MB to 128 MB. Just ensure it's adequate for your needs without going excessively high, as this could affect performance. After you've updated the settings, don't forget to scroll down and save your changes. It's a simple step but crucial, as failing to save will render all your adjustments meaningless. Once saved, some servers may require a restart for the changes to take effect. Keep an eye out for prompts indicating this need, but if you're not prompted, you should be set to go. Simply give your site a quick check to ensure everything is running smoothly and the new upload limits are functioning as intended. And there you have it. You've successfully increased the upload size limits on Hostinger. This modification will undoubtedly help streamline your workflow by allowing larger files, thus enhancing your website's functionality. Thanks for following along, and be sure to check out more tutorials for all your hosting and website management needs.